Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will create this reference plate in AutoCAD. I am using AutoCAD 2021, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's create this drawing. I will drag this drawing to here and I will use this template. So first of all, we will create this PCD whose diameter is 126. I will go to here circle, center with diameter, and I will create one circle over here 126. Next, we will create these two circles. This diameter is 19 and this radius is 16. You can see over here. So I will go to circle, center with diameter. I will snap the quadrant and I will write 19. Go to here, circle again, center with radius, snap its quadrant and I will write 16. Next, go to here, template again, and this time I will create a circle having diameter 64. That is this one, and this circle and whose diameter is 50. So 64 and 50. I will go to here circle, center with diameter, snap this center point 64 and also 50. Now we will create these patterns 5 times. So we will use a command called array. Go to here command line, write ARR array, select objects, these two, press enter key. We have to use polar array. Base point is this one, and here you can see 6 number of patterns, but for this template we need 5, so I will change it to 5. And close array. Next is we will create this pattern, and this dimension is 12.3, so half dimension is 6.15, and we will use offset command here. First we have to write one line up to here. I will draw one line here and I will write O is the shortcut key for offset. 6.15, and I will offset it on the left side, press enter key, and I will offset on the right side. I will delete this line. Also we have to trim the unnecessary portion that we don't want. And now we have to use the array command again. Polar array, select objects, this one. Base point is this one, and here we need 8 number of patterns. So I will change it to 8 and close array. Now we have to trim the inner part, but first we have to explode it. Otherwise we cannot use the trim part. Go to here trim command. TR is the shortcut key for trim. Press enter key. And I will delete the inner geometry. Okay. Next is we will create this arc, and this radius is 50, and we will create this arc using the fillet command. So go to here command line. I will write F. F is the shortcut key for fillet. Select radius. Write 50, and I will select this circle and this circle, and here you can see the preview. Now we have to use array command again. Select objects, this one, press enter key. Polar array, base point is this one, and now we need 5 number of patterns. Here it is showing 6, so I will change it to 5. And I will close the array. I will delete this one. And now you can see we have created a similar drawing like this. Now we have to create some center lines. You can create some center lines by going to here, annotate, and change the layer, and you can use this one, center line and center mark. But I will use the same. I will copy this and I will paste it over here. Now I will change my layer to dimension. Here we will apply some dimensions. This is 126 and this is 64. Press enter key to repeat the previous command. This one is 64 we have created. This one is 50. This one is 19. And now we will change it to radius. This is 16. This is 50. And this dimension is 12.3. So I will change the dimension type to linear. And this is 12.3 millimeters. I will move this to here. And now you can see the dimension text is very small. So we will use match properties command. The shortcut key is MA. Now you can see the dimension style is increased. Also, you can change the layer to, let's say, this one, and you can write some text. Go to here, multi-line text, write reference plate. You can see text is very small, so I will use similar match properties command. Select the source object and select this object. You can change the text style to New Times Roman. This one. Apply bold text. And I will place it over here. Okay. Now we will change the line weight of the main objects. So first we have to explode this array. I will change my layer to this one, and I will put off this layer. I will select whole object and I will change my line weight to this one, 0.3. Now we have to trim the inner part. And now I will put on the layers that we have switched off. You can see we have created a similar drawing, and this is a very good exercise, especially for beginners who are learning AutoCAD from the basics. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.